Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by verifying basic system status on your device. Check that your device has at least 4 GB free storage before recording starts. Next, confirm the Glip app version number is 3, 5, or later. Update the app if it is older than 3, 5 to avoid compatibility issues. Also test your network stability and latency. Confirm network latency stays below 100 ms during recording sessions to prevent upload or sync failures. Finally, restart the app after checks complete to refresh settings. If diagnosis did not reveal the problem, try quick fixes now. Restart the Glip app after performing checks to refresh temporary settings. Then clear the Glip cache from app settings and allow at least 100 seconds before retrying the recorder. If issues persist, switch from wireless to a wired network connection. Switch to a wired network if wireless shows packet loss above 2%. Also temporarily disable VPN or firewall software to determine if they block recorder traffic. For recurring errors, perform advanced troubleshooting and collect evidence. Update device audio drivers to the latest available release within 30 days for compatibility. Verify operating system updates are installed and reboot the device afterward. Record a 10-second test file and inspect its waveform for silent segments that indicate input failure. Check microphone permissions in system preferences and grant Glip explicit access when prompted. If errors persist, collect application logs and timestamps and submit them to Glip support for deeper analysis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.